welcome to Sue's Vlog channel. So today we're going to walk on the park, one of the biggest park here near in my work, with Nikita, because you see guys, the tulip flowers is already grow, and sooner or later they are gonna be fall out on the, because the tulip is very easy guys to become so dry. Look at what all the red color, you see, it's almost falling, especially the weather is a little bit cold and windy. So yeah, I just showed the beautiful tulip festival here. It's not festival, during this season all the tulips grow naturally here in the park, everywhere in the park. We are here in the biggest park and near at my work. So as you can see guys, there's a lot of dove over there eating. So ayan, I just see the beautiful tulip flowers everywhere here in Moscow. Every park has a tulip flowers they planted, and all this weather will grow like this time already. You see guys, that side. So we're going the other side, and this is one of the park we can also play anything. And you see, this is the statue of the heroes here in Moscow. They put some flowers. Last May 8 is celebrating a hero's victory for Moscow. So yan guys, this is the only thing I can share to everyone here in my vlog for today's vlog channel. So of course, thank you once again to everyone who always keep supporting on my channel. Thank you so much. The tulip, red and white color. Ayan, nagliparan ng ating mga kalapati. So that's all for today's video for Sue's Vlog channels guys. Nag-walking kami dito kasama ang aming grandma, and of course kasama na rin mag-video. So ayun guys, diba ang sarap mag-walking pag ganito ang weather. So let's walk around that side. One of the biggest park here near at my work. Marami nag-walking dito, marami nag-scooter. It's so clean, it's so green. That's a beautiful view here. Gusto ko mag-biking guys, but unfortunately yung bike ko before someone took it. Someone took that bike. Itong namimiss ko guys pag ganito na ang weather dito. Alam niyo ba yun? It's really fresh. So I think that's all for today's video. At the same time, you can see the tulip flowers. Ang dami pang bulaklak dito guys. Alam niyo ba yun? So ayan. Ayan yung mga nila dito, nag-walking talaga sila. Ang ganda mag-vlog. Hayaan nyo, I will just share a little bit Actually, there are a bigger, beautiful park here in Moscow. I really like to go there this coming, maybe this end of the month. I can visit one of the biggest park here in Moscow, and I will share also on my vlog for today. So ayan, diba? Everywhere has many flowers. Especially this time is tulip flowers. Not much, but it looks so beautiful. So green. Look at this red tulip flowers. Let's go on the side. So I think that's all for today's Sus Vlog channel's video for today. So thank you so much once again, guys, for keep supporting my vlog, for keep watching my videos. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoy watching the white tulip, the red one. See you everyone. God bless everyone. Bye bye. I love you all.